heavy walks to Jordan and Desert. You know, they keep those things overnight.
Welcome to Corals and Coriolis in the Bruce Luxmy channel. We're walking to see the Grand Canal.
This is actually a really gorgeous view.
There's so many wonderful things to see in Venice. It's amazing.
Ooh, look, eagle.
Oh, look at that. This red necklace right here.
I just generally love the city and would love to spend a week there just wandering. So many great conversations to be had throughout the city. It's just amazing sights, and the canals are just lovely to look at. The gondolier singing in the distance. Oh, and the water. Oh, the water. No swimming in Venice whatsoever. Thank you very much for watching this channel. Please like and subscribe. This is Bruce Luxmy, and I hope you have a great week ahead. And I hope that things are prosperous in the new year for you, for your family. Farewell for now.